National Electrical Code Article 300.5e addresses the installation of conductors of different voltages in the same conduit. This refers to conductors with different voltage levels, such as 120 volts and 240 volts. It also refers to electrical systems with different characteristics, such as alternating current and direct current, or power and control circuits. These requirements apply to electrical installations such as power lines on poles. Conductors of different voltages and systems may be run in the same conduit only if, firstly, they are separated by a permanent barrier. Secondly, the insulation of the conductors is suitable for the highest voltage present. Thirdly, the conductors are identified to indicate their voltage and system. A permanent barrier is a physical barrier, such as a divider or compartment, that provides continuous separation between the conductors. The barrier must be made of non-conducting material, such as plastic or fiberglass. The barrier must be rated for the highest voltage present. The conductors must have insulation rated for the highest voltage present in the conduit. This ensures that the conductors can withstand the voltage without breaking down. The conductors must be clearly identified to indicate their voltage and system. This can be done with color coding, tags, or other marking methods. The requirements in Article 300.5e are intended to prevent accidental contact between conductors of different voltages or systems, which could lead to electrical shock or damage to equipment. The permanent barrier provides physical separation, the appropriate insulation prevents electrical breakdown, and the identification helps ensure safe handling during installation and maintenance.